started here from National Executive sector of the NDC. Yehu say Sammy Gyamfi, Malik Basintali, Yamin Joseph.
Mama Akwaba, what frame Ajua searching mesro. Now I subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusianfu mania okase ena ochrese. Yeto abawie ever since yeto abawie 7th December 2024 till enda me no okase ejasheshe da so koso ogada ha. Na ejasheshe no enye kantamanto de na ehye no. Ena enye market is na ehye no. Dabi. NDC youth no yato abawie former vice president Dr. Bawumia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eko abato no onankasa no concede ntem it's about 11 o'clock na NPP for ya share yare na just ya babo nti medetum say yawe nti ni mu dia he pa na NDC youth mo mpre na Ghana ha yenkwa he eja hyehye tai hyehye ye bebo ni go change e bi mu fi omo offices na walk Ghana gas and also bempa do mo chese wo su bempa no when the seconds bo why is one pointing back with Ghana gas o ko your friend say STC there wo awudomi ho na there wo awudomi ho yi em so mo office na wo awudomi e na your friend say circle ho na kasa no what na na komia no nya seconds and this food o mo kire wo Ghana ha ni na le so mo aban abapawa nti MPP fun kron won so medibi na nsem we ekoso no ejasheshe na de tutura sem NDC UTBAD e na woman yo kase ekrese we na no e hyase fi Malik Basintali Sammy Gyamfi e na Sam George Jata abrant na why pete na o man ya so nkwa didi na so no ko LGBTQ+ ehia ehi ho ono ko ho no also NPP for omo ye nipa bone fu ntin ko omo nhye omo Ghana fo nhye omo because LGBTQ+ and then trumu fu no His Excellency na don ka kufu ado sign ntin omo ye bon sambo no waje agirema na omo abanya abapawa e baya na no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama okobisa na osi wo we no kran ke be yanka ye nkyerkyere schools no se nyama we nenye na sign ni de faso bi no so enso Donald Trump Kofi Trump Jojo Trump ya Trump buy what can straight US one ya wamba na member omo pane ye omo US omo recognize omo enso Ghana de wode fa baby Sam George why ya pete ena Malik Basintali na Sammy Gyamfi na was starting sim way drawing election no collation omo collate no wo gina also pampe wo block roads wo block cars mun declare any yen wini and now turn this youth ni bitri man no we jimi abepin by this time yenti ensema woman e dey atuya
because me ti domi kwabenya area and me hu senior violence or musi violence am me hu ye and media all this violence started here from National Executive sector of the NDC yehu say Sammy Gyamfi, Malik Basintali, Yamin Joseph, and Juma no Mudino, like blocking cars, telling people to go to polling collation centers.
Sammy Gyamfi block cars.
There be me about
the youth.
Joseph Yamina, or blocking vehicles are no more offer gold. You call him crampo gold for. Sadiano, they are violent acts because say ye be mad democracy chance. Say who say democracy is not what we are doing. Democracy ye what democracy soa. Now why are winning elections? Obian who say why winning. Obian who say Ghana for NPP for omo nye dear Ghana for pe into oma kick omo out and omo mamo opportunity say come and make sure that you take care of our governance system in the country. And a way moba and muka chire nipa say go to this collation center. Anka wuko collation centers no ko pressure omo digu electoral commission officers ena omo kan so a na eye nwanwa. That is not free and fair elections. Free and fair muna muka say electoral commission for they are not trying to conduct a free and fair election. Mama Obiang who say you were the vulnerable people that all Ghanaians wanted to protect. The media wanted to protect you. Civil society organization wanted to protect you. NGOs wanted. There was no one in Ghana now on person unprotected the NDC.
Right.
Because now we are vulnerable. And a mumube dani the autocrats. Na sisi amudi pressure go electoral commission so mo catch the electoral commission to declare elections okay say 62 are not yet in, and the 62 has a potential of changing the results.
Right.
Ma pressurizing now where a democracy me share the echo so na because this is not the type of democracy I'm looking for. I'm always thinking that Bibi Beya and free and fair. No one should be marginalized. And only me botaye. Now we are estatia we call ye and estati from national executive. For yes, I know. Omo ye no na grassroots no omo kase obedi en na grassroots no fa so omo start omo beni taxpayers money ye dia see buildings omo start en omo beni en de keka ho. I don't think it was right say we nyina enkoso na enye right ye kanu enye say ye tan NDC for ye pese bibia enkoso from so the next time mo be in fasa yemo wo kan no mo say wo 2016 MPP for omo di ye so we should continue to as I say continue all the time to be following bad practices na see bibi de say we say wo ko wenima this won hwe de enye na we see there be me nye we na wa hwe de ye na sisi ade you are marching towards things that will be able to help us into the cause of violence action na National Executive Council of the NDC omo ne causes our violence no into ena sena no mo kasa no ena omo ye second people omo causes our violence no ye media some of the media people ye can about Captain Smart, a media personality. Kevin Taylor, a media personality. Otimi fan in media space, or large following. Abe kachire the youth say 7th December after the President John Mahama Bape. Munko into the Munko MPP for Mufie. Na mun ransack the entire houses. The Oma Lutisika. And like saying so many things that are very, very how do I even call it? Until when you know encourage the youth. What he said na NDC for Becca say, oh, Kevin Taylor, dear Wukai and Captain Smart mpacho muntemu down. No. When you now question no.
So wait
who say omo as a ministers na almost wechire. Because who say Ghana ye be ruling country I say mediocrity say one year
person bia kasa obia ma NDC na chese wo say NDC foko yi ano so omunya omon country bia so nkasa mo
meaning me see sa dia na no mo ye no na enye nti senior now NDC was in power say we were power na obi can bibia wonim say it has a tendency of even undermining your government we betima ye say am a military for ababefa. The Okano are very dangerous. And say we were power. No big car enya now say enyamina me car say onka but oka chire mi tamfo no and I mean pay me tamfo asem na omo fa yomo or the ye wo tamfo we or the beba also. That's how it is. And the nana me can say the course nyina and the omo na omo ka inflammatory making inflammatory remarks are ebetima cause the peace of this country from the NDC from the president himself. It means that all this while they were in support of what they were doing. No, now omo who say omo di ba omo so no bole no omo si dia no omo kosi ye no.
That's a car ties no.
A car ties and a dear so now they are seeing the danger coming to them and nothing normal sorry but that is not how to rule a country. Until they course I think that we should hold the NDC liable of omo kasenchire omo nipa. And the course we don't hate you. We want things to be okay between the decent.
That's Janet Nabla, a leader and chairperson of the PNP. Also, omo hate him, but mo no quarry. Emma or minor. This is not how to govern.
Me refie krampo ena o ma fa mo as a ministers ne nyina omo ka ho omo wo radio station susu television yiye nipa because enu nkwa na be ma omo afa as ministers omo fa mo ne nyina yiye nipa na omo be fa omo. It's not because of competence.
How do you generalize?
Would they call neko wait check on their media spaces after omo wini ye obi obeba bia Harun Idris or ye okuja to ablakwa o ye. Oh my God, send a normal kasa because enu quantum party ne be ma opposition obia on di obi bia onip some ministers na so minister bi o ma fa no wa ye obi nti na o mo fa no so they took their ministers according